EA, Ski, CMT, Frontline, yeah, Locksmith, left. What is it, homie? Yeah, MTV battle. Y'all some damn cheaters, man. But that's alright. It's nothing personal. We just gonna spit at you a little bit. You know. Let's get it cracked, lock. Come on.
Now what do we have here? A new dude repping the bag, making a name. Suckers wanna step in the way. All of the BS and the stress in the way is enough to make you want get a weapon and spray. Bring me the beef, I'm happy to chew it, but understand I'm a man if you happen to spew it. We can take it to a battle and do it. I ain't a punk, man, I don't sweat vaginal fluid. But some of you fake dudes wanna start with me, like I ain't got a motherfucking heart in me. If I offended you, pimp pardon me, but I don't think you really want a part of me. My skin is thick, my blood is froze. You can look into the area above my nose and see I don't play around song till I'm buried in the motherfucking ground and gone. Come on.
What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball. What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball.
I'm a quarterback like Rich Gannon, man, and I don't do a damn thing but throw your game. All that back talking, man, you should be shamed. I thought we left them things to messy games, but dudes wanna chit chat, dudes wanna gossip, talk the talk, but afraid to walk it. Since we've been on TV, I guess that we targets. Open to the bad guys, you know who you are. People wanna hate today because I say that I represent the new in front of the bay. So y'all mad at me, acting all crappy. Won't you get a slice of the pie and be happy? A lot of people want us to go away. Nope, not going nowhere, we here to stay. I got kids to raise and rhyme to say, plus a truckload of money that I got to make. Yeah.
What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball. What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball. I don't give a damn where you from and where you be. It's gonna take more than a beat to bring the heat. By now you should know I'm from the Oakland street. If you think about it, it can get real deep. I ain't gotta fake and smile to show you love. I'ma cock back and pop and show you slug. Rapping, we can go all out. Man to man, or we can bring all the turfies out. When you see me, clear your thought, don't think about it. Or it be extra, extra, read all about it. Don't doubt it, I'm not that nice, I do not play. And when I play, it might be with an AK. I won't blink and I won't budge. I've been to jail before and back to war. I will cock it and let the steel bust. In a real way, you get your grill bust. What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball. What is it? Whatever you might want it to be. What is it? Why you wanna hate on me? What is it? I ain't even tripping, dog. What is it? I'ma show you how to ball. Frontline, the front line, yeah. We ready for war, cuz. Locksmith, left, EA Ski, CMT. What is it? What is it, boy? Better get at us, you know. Oh yeah, MTV battle. Y'all some damn cheaters, man. Rain Man. You mean pain, man.